Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and find the vertex from standard form here. So these are all in standard form, which is y equals form. We're going to identify A, B, and C. We're going to compute the x value of the vertex, which is also the axis of symmetry. And then we're going to find its y value by plugging that back into the original equation, and then writing the ordered pair. Okay, so for our first one, if you look at this, A is what's in front of the x squared, so A is -2, B is -8, and C is 2. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to go plug it into x equals negative B, or the opposite of B over 2A. And that'll give us our x-coordinate of our vertex. Since B was -8, this becomes the opposite of that, which is +8 over 2 times -2. Which is 8 over -4, which is -2. So the x-coordinate of our vertex is -2. Now, just a reminder, if you type this in the calculator, you're going to have to make sure that whole thing is in a parenthesis. Okay? All right, so to find our y value, we're now going to go substitute this x value back into our original equation, which is -2 times -2 squared. And then it's -8 times -2 plus 2. All right. So if I square -2, I get 4. I know most of you will go dump in your calculator, but if I square -2, I get 4 times -2 is -8. -8 times -2 is +16 plus 2. So here I get +8 when I combine those two, plus 2 more is 10. So my vertex is at -210. Okay, a little add-on, we're not graphing these today, we're just locating the vertex. So if I were to graph this, this is a frown graph, so therefore it's a maximum and that occurs at -210. So just connection of the graph. All right, so on number 2, A is equal to 1, because there's a 1 in front of the x squared. B is -6. C is equal to 1. So I'm going to go substitute into the opposite of B over 2A. All right, so B here is -6. The opposite of that is +6 over 2 times 1, which is really 6 over 2, which is 3. So the x-coordinate of my vertex is 3. Now I'm going to go just substitute that back in to find my y value. So y is equal to 3 squared. -6 times 3 plus 1. Okay, this is 9 minus 18 plus 1. +9, -18 is -9, plus 1 is -8. So my vertex is at 3, -8. Okay, the last time I'm doing this video is number 6. I want to change this to be a +4. Okay? All right. For reasons all the other b's are negative, I want to make sure you do one that's positive. So A is equal to 1/2, B is equal to 4, and C is 1. If I substitute in, I get the opposite of B over 2A. Well, if B was 4, now it becomes -4 up top over 2 times 1/2. If I multiply that out, I get -4. 2 times 1/2 is 1 because they're reciprocals. So my x value is -4. Now I'm going to go plug that into my y, and I get 1/2 times -4 squared. All right. So if I square -4, I get 16. Half of that is 8. 4 times -4 is a -16 plus 1. Now if you realize, if the vertex value is right and you've computed it right, the middle, at the vertex, the middle value is always double but opposite that one. Happen here, double and opposite that one, double and opposite that one. All right, so here I get -8, or I get -8 plus 1 is -7. So my vertex is at -4, -7. Okay, I hope this helped. I just did 3 examples to help you feel a little bit stronger on these. If you have questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks. Bye.